Hey everybody, this is Anna with Homemade Home, and I thought I would show you how I make my shepherd's pie. In this pot, I've already browned my hamburger meat, and I used about 1/4 of a cup of onion and cooked that in with my hamburger meat. I also added a little Mrs. Dash, a little granulated garlic, and a little seasoned salt. Those are my 3 seasonings that you know I always use.
And my meat.
And a little Mrs. Dash, like that. And I cooked that into that and browned it. And then I'm going to add in a can of cream of mushroom soup and about 2 teaspoons of beef base, and then a can of water. This is a can of water. This is what I mean by can of water. I'm gonna fill this can up with water. It is 10 ounces and 3/4 of an ounce. And then I'm going to pour that in and bring you right back. Over here I have my mashed potatoes, and I have a video on how I make my mashed potatoes, and you can go watch that after this if you like. And then you will need some vegetables. I do like half and half because my husband and my oldest like peas, and my youngest likes peas, but I like corn, so I do some with corn. So that, and then you'll need some cheese. I put cheese on top of mine. So I'll bring you right back once I put the cream of mushroom soup and 2 teaspoons of beef base and a can of water. So I'll bring you right back. Okay, I have put in my can of cream of mushroom soup and 2 teaspoons of beef base and a can of water, which I just filled up the can of cream of mushroom soup with water and poured it in.
I like corn.
Yeah, you like corn.
I like all peas.
So I am just mixing this all together. And this would actually be really good on like noodles also. Like if you wanted to, this is like almost like a stroganoff. This is kind of like a stroganoff. If you wanted to put this on noodles, that's what it kind of would taste like. Or like a stroganoff.
And then I got tea.
So we are going to let this simmer for just a second. Like about, I'm gonna let this cook down just so that the seasonings and everything can blend together, and then I'm gonna taste it and see if it needs anything else, and I will bring you back once that is done. I think it's only gonna be about 3 to 4 minutes, maybe something like that. Then I'm gonna let it cook on medium heat, and I'll bring you right back once that is done. Okay. Now we are going to combine our ingredients in a ceramic or glass pan that you can put in the oven. So first I'm going to put in the hamburger meat, and then I'm going to bring you right back after that. Okay, now I have my hamburger meat in my casserole dish. What are you doing, Bubby? You have mommy's timer? Yeah.
Here it is.
Okay, let's not do that, okay? And we just spread it all out. Now I'm going to put my corn and peas, and what I do is I do half and half corn, half peas. Please stop, Zachary. You can mix, you can put none, you can put whatever you like in at this point, but I am going to put half corn, half peas, and I'll bring it right back.
No.
And that's what that looks like. Now I am going to put my mashed potatoes over this and spread it out, and I'll bring you right back after that. Now that's what our mashed potatoes look like on it, and I'll show you the side so you can kind of see that. It's about the same thickness as the meat.
Got meat out.
Now I'm going to add my cheese, and I have about 2 cups of cheese here, and I'm going to sprinkle it on top of my potatoes, and I'll bring you right back. And that is the finished product. As we put it in a 400-degree oven, and everything is cooked, so we're just really melting the cheese and warming all the goodness together. I bring you right back once I take it out of the oven and show you the finished product. So this is what we have so far.
Bye. Love you, Mama.
Just forgot to show you the finished product, but this is what you want it to look like. Nice melted cheese everywhere. And this is what the inside looks like here. You can see that. This is the corn side. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And this is Shepherd's Pie. So thanks for watching. Be blessed.